Okay, next class is about poster design, that too interactive poster design, right? So we can add some animation for your poster. So up to now we created posters only for the print and publishing, for the printing purpose. This time we are using interactive poster. So interaction means you can send these posters through online or social media. Then users they click the buttons given by you and they change the animations, they observe your interactions. Okay, so let us check how to do that. So first I'll take my reference images. Place. So somewhere have so I'll take other images. Suppose I'll take this. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, suppose 5 and 6. So open. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, these are my references. So here I am planning a poster for a greeting card gallery. Okay, so greeting card gallery poster we are creating, that too in interactive method. Okay, let us design first. Here I am using ellipse frame tool. I am using Alt Shift, and this is my ellipse here. This is my ellipse frame. So here I'll take this frame and make it bigger. So double click here inside and make this bigger. So this much, and get into that frame. Yeah, this is, make it a bit bigger. Keep this inside. Here I am adding some text here. So change this to a white and increase the font size. Place this to center. Place this to center here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll cut this one, Control X I am using, and select this one, this frame, and from edit paste into. So now we added the mask here. Okay, next here what I am doing, I'll duplicate this one, Control C and Control Shift Alt V, so it is duplicated. Come to layers here, there is a text here, so move this text to on top. So these are the two peaks, duplicate that one. So this is the first one. Here what I am doing, I select this one and come to this opacity. I'll reduce this opacity to 0. This is 0 now. Now on the original one, and unlock this also. And there is a text, birthday text. Okay. Now what I am doing, here I'll write some text here. Greetings. Greetings. Make it bit bigger. Select this one and make it bit bigger. Yeah, this is. And keep this here. Yeah, here it is. So here I want to add some background. So I'm using this rectangular frame. Yes. So fill with actually with one image. So place. Here I'll add some pic here. Of course, this is as a background. So here I am reducing this. This to 25. Yeah, it is in 25 only. Okay. This I'll use as a background. So keep this down and lock it. So it is locked. And here I'll add some text. Restore your memories. Restore your memories and change this text, the font style. Yeah, I'll take this for time being, right? So this is okay, good. Now change this text to some red color. Select this text. Now I'll use this. Yeah. This is nice. Okay. So I'm using Control S. So for timing, save on your computer and desktop. So give the name. Drag to greeting card. saved. Okay, yeah, this is my setup here. If you want, you can change this color to any other color. So the black is okay, but on the black I'll create one box here. This is the box. And I'll give some curviness here. The curviness, and increase this size, box size if you want, or otherwise you can decrease. Yeah, this is okay. Now in this I'll fill color. Yeah, let us take so red color here. So this is this one, and a rectangle. So this is your rectangle, and greetings. Drag this under greetings. This is okay. And now change this color to white. So this is white. Yes. This is nice. So if you want, you can remove the outline. And select these two, and I'm using Ctrl G, group this. Okay, here we have to create the interaction by using these buttons and image states. So how to do that, I'll check. First, to select these, the entire these layers. These are the layers. Okay, on the first layer, the first one, can reduce the opacity down. Reduce the opacity here 0, and this is the second one. Now see, nothing is there, so opacity reduced to, and this is the second one. Over on that, the birthday is there. Okay, so now here we have some interactions and image states we have to create, right? So how to create that one, I'll explain. So make it center here. Yeah, center. I'm using Ctrl S. So from window, here we have interactive. From interactive, we have object states. This is the object state. Okay, at present object state is empty. So select these three. Okay, and here we have the button, convert selection to multi-state object. So multi-state object. So these are multi-state objects. Okay, then here what I will do after this one, you have to create the buttons for this. How to create that one? From window, and again come to interactive. There is a buttons and forms, so click on that. So this is the buttons and forms. Okay, and select this one, greetings, and the type is should be button. Okay, this is button. Give the button name as greetings. Greetings is okay, and give the action. At present we have no action added, so click on the plus symbol and here go to next state, go to next state. Okay, so next state added. After that you can check your interactivity, how it is working. Preview spread, so here click here, you can add the buttons here. See, now it is, after clicking the greetings, here it is adding. Okay, but here the birthday, the text is not visible because it is under the layer, so we'll add that button. So close the preview here and come here and come to layers. Okay, and here we have the greetings, right? See, this is the birthday, the state one in this year. This I'll change to another color. Whereas I'll move to down. Okay, now here check the states here. Now it is going back, so keep this here only. So I'm using Control Z, just a minute. Yeah, here I want to change this text color because it is opacity down, so it is not visible. So let us change this text color to another color. Yeah, this is okay. And again come to your preview spread, so click here. Okay, here, yeah, sorry for that, here the visibility, the greeting visibility is off, so come here and on this visibility, yes, and come to again the preview spread here. Now see this one, so I'm clicking on the greetings, so the greetings are visible. This is a birthday, okay, so birthday greeting, and click on this. Now see the interactions when you click on the greetings, because first here we applied the emptiness, the birthday, but here nothing is there. But again if you click here, it is showing, right? So birthday. So this is the interaction to create anything, right? So let us create one more thing. So after that, this is the complete state one. This is, so complete this one, multi-state. So lock this one. Okay, here if you want to create, you create another one. Yes, will create another ellipse. Alt Shift I'm using. This is here. Drag this image here. Make it bit bigger. Bit bigger. This is, and move this to bit down. Yeah, here. Control X, cut this and select this ellipse frame and come to edit and paste into, not pasted properly, so I'll paste again. Increase the image size. Yeah, here it is, not this one. Yes. So I'll reduce this ellipse frame. It should fit into that. Yeah, this is. Now select this frame, Control X, and select this one, come to edit and paste into. This is nice. And here suppose so here what I'm doing, I'll duplicate this one, so Control C and Control Shift Alt V, so duplicated. So these are the two duplicated already. This lock one thing and select this one. So I'm using Alt Shift to increase this one, the size. So Alt Shift. Okay, so that means what? This is a smaller one and this is the bigger one. Okay, done. So next select these three, okay, and here again I am using object states. If you don't find object states, come to window and there is a interactive and find here object states, right? After that select these three, okay, and again there is a plus symbol showing convert selection to multi-state object. Click here, the multi-state object selected, okay, this is here and this is here, right? And then we have to create the buttons, and again select here and come to buttons here, type a button and suppose greetings 2. I'm giving greetings 2 here, okay. The event is on release or tab or on click, okay, on release or tab or click. So here I am using on release or tab here. The actions are here, the same like the multi-state. Here I am using go to next, okay, and the object is the multi-state, suppose 8, this is, okay. And now let us check the interactivity, how it is giving this interactivity. Suppose see, I am using greetings, I am clicking here and it is animating as per the user clicks. This is nice, okay. So you can use as many as pictures here and you can give the interactions, okay. This is the e-publicity, right? So you can save this if you want, you can release. For time being you can delete them. The file, suppose here publish online, here I am using publish online. It is a general, the publish new document, okay. The title is interactive greeting card, So the description, if you want to give any description, you can give the description, or otherwise leave it as it is. And pages all, okay, okay, and the publish here. It is uploading your document to your document was successfully uploaded. Okay, if you want to copy this link, you can copy this link, or you can send to anywhere, share on the Facebook or social media networks. Okay, suppose here the view document. First let us check the view document. Yeah, here, yeah, this is the view document. I think 2 times it is added, view document. So now see, here it is. This is nice, right? So here we place this link anywhere, suppose, yeah, this is, so copy this link, copied, and you can use here Control V, okay, and enter. It is opening in a new tab, the Google Chrome. I opened and I am giving the interactions by my clicks, user clicks. Now see, this is the birthday. Okay, so here as many pics you can create. So this is the way to create your interactive greeting cards by using object states and buttons and forms.